Assalamualaikum. Welcome to AppSax Virtual School. Today we are going to start our English language and literature lecture of class 6. So this is the description of your lecture. Textbook that we will be using is English Ahead Lower Secondary Level 1, and we are going to start with the revision of novel, modal verbs, and then the vocabulary of the lesson, right? So today the resources we will use is textbook and the internet. We will start from English literature novel Swiss Family Robinson. Let's recall the first 2 to 5 units, and then you have to write a paragraph on the two character sketch, and you have to write 2 tasks. And first is the paragraph that you will write on the topic my tree house, and in this paragraph you have to describe your own tree house with your imagination. What do you think, what sort of tree house you can have in the jungle? What would you like your tree house to be like? Where would you build it? Which kind of tree would be suitable? Describe view for the tree from the tree house. Will you invite your friends, or would you like to live alone? So these are the some things that must include in your paragraph, which is my tree house. Add other ideas of your own. Your paragraph should be 100 to 125 words. So you have read a lot in first 5 units of this novel, that now in this novel what was happening, that they were thinking to build a tree house, because that tree house is more safer than the house at the land, right? So one boy suggests this tree house idea, and they like it, and they make a tree house from the end, and they also like their house as well. They now you think about that, maybe you are with that family and you are living with them. So what sort of imagination you are having, that what will be the view from that tree house, right? So these are the points that you should include in your paragraph my tree house. Secondly, the task 2 is read about 2 main characters in detail. You can add Jack and Elizabeth, or Pastor, or Elizabeth, any 2 characters, any 2 your favorite characters. Write description of that characters in your own words. You have to describe those characters. As in other classes, we can also we took the character sketch of two characters or 2 person. You have to describe the 2 characters in detail, right? Write about the role of character, their physical description, their role in the family, their role in their in making their tree house, their role in the contribution to bring animal from the ship. So these all things that you can add in this task 2, in writing character sketch of 2 characters, right? Then the next work is student book language focus 3 पे जो आपका दिया गया है, student book page number 62 पे, and workbook page number 40 पे. The topic is modal verbs, and the main modal verbs that we are going to discuss here are can and could. What are modal verbs? The first question is this: modal verbs are auxiliary verbs that express necessity or possibility. When we have the expression of necessity, कि necessity मतलब कि ज़रूरत है, एक चीज़ का करना ज़रूरी है, तो उस सेंटेंस में हम modal verb use करेंगे. And if we say there is a possibility of doing something, or there is no possibility of doing something, then we also use modal verbs. जैसे कि if I give example of can and could, it shows the possibility. And necessity, if I want to show necessity, right? If I say that you should pack your bags before morning so we can leave for our journey, right? So I am here in this sentence talking about necessity, that there is a need to pack your bags for the journey. Okay, so these are the some examples of the modal verbs. It include must, necessity show करता है, shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, and might. These all are the modal verbs. So there are some examples of these modal verbs that are given in your task as well. She can speak Spanish very well. So can here in this word is showing possibility of like he can do something, like he is able to do something. So she here it is possible like she can speak Spanish. Can you come with us on Saturday? Can is here modal verb. Could in the other sentence is like I could run much faster when I was younger. And then in the second sentence, she could play the violin when she was a child. So here can and could, these are the two modal verbs that are used in these sentences. We can use can to talk about things that are able to do, things that we have learned to do, and cannot those things which are not possible, which are impossible, and we can't do those things. So we use this modal verb can and could, right? So here one more important things that I want to tell you about modal verbs, that whenever we use modal verb in a sentence, we use a first form of verb after the modal verbs. Okay, whenever we use like I can, if I say I can read, तो read के हम फर्स्ट फॉर्म ही लगाएंगे बिकॉज पहले ही वर्ब की फर्स्ट मतलब ऑक्सिलरी फॉर्म लग चुकी है, ठीक है ना, ऑक्सिलरी फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लग चुकी है. ओके, द थर्ड इज वी यूज़ कुड और कुड नॉट इन द नेगेटिव टू टॉक अबाउट द पॉसिबिलिटी और एबिलिटी और इनएबिलिटी इन द पास्ट. ठीक है, जब हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंस यूज़ करते हैं तो उनके लिए भी हम जैसे कि अगर कैन के साथ हो तो कैन नॉट, और पास्ट में नेगेटिव हो तो कुड नॉट. Okay, so written task after understanding these modal verbs is subject student book page number 62, complete exercise number 6, and then workbook page number 40, complete exercise number 1, 2 and 3 by your own. So ठीक है, कोई मसला हो you can ask me, and also I'll share you with the answers of these exercises as well. Make 4 sentences on your copies by using these modal verbs. Can and could को use करके आपने 4 या 5 sentences बनाने हैं copies पे. The next task is vocabulary. It's a reading task. Vocabulary lesson page 63. In this vocabulary lesson you will find out about animals and their habitat. You must have learned about habitats in science. A habitat is a type of natural environment in which a particular species of organisms live. Okay, habitat is a sort of natural environment जहाँ पे एक पर्टिकुलर स्पीशीज़ रहते हैं. ठीक है, एक स्पेशल तरह की मतलब कि स्पीशीज़, जैसे कि अगर एनिमल हो, एनिमल देयर आर मेनी लॉट्स ऑफ एनिमल एंड दे आर लिविंग एट अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. सो वी विल से दैट दिस इज़ हैबिटेट, दिस इज़ द नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट वेयर दे आर लिविंग, द लैंड, द एयर and all of these things, their shelter, food, their how they raise their youngs. So these are the some things that these are the some factors that we have to include when we talk about habitat. Read or listen to the magazine article 8 reasons why the earth is so beautiful. Match the photos and use the dictionary on the internet to find the meanings of the following words. Coral reefs, rainforest. You must have some idea about these words: coral reefs, rainforest, mangrove swamps, grassland, because you must have read these points or these words in science or in other subjects, right? So add these words to my vocabulary bank on your neat copies. So here this is a note for you, okay, student, you must be encouraged to write on your own self, depict your true feelings and keep in view the topic and the format. जैसे आपको बताया गया आपने उसी तरह काम करना है, जो पैराग्राफ्स आपको जैसे बताया गया आपने उसी तरह काम करना है, उसी फॉर्मेट पे, उसी तरीके से जैसे कि आपको इन्फॉर्म किया गया, राइट. एंड द वन मोर थिंग, लाइक इंक्लूड योर own thinking, include your own feelings. What do you think? If I say you have to write a paragraph on my tree house, then if you are writing, so include your own understanding, your own thinking, your own imagination about the topic. Okay? Try to write about the about what you think. depict your true feelings about the topics or about the things. So this was all about today's lecture. Hope you get it. If you find any query, you can ask me in inbox, and you can also tell me in the query times. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.